Hello friends, how are you? I've been thinking of doing a project for all the cling foil and the aluminum foil which has been lying around in the kitchen. So, and also my wife has been pestering me to make something for her. So we've got cling foil, aluminum foil and paper towels which generally either get dumped in the drawer or are just lying somewhere here and there. So I've decided that we're going to make a 3-in-1 stacker wherein we have space for aluminum foil, cling foil and a paper wrap, and then we'll have some hooks at the bottom so that we can have some cloth, cleaning cloth on that, and a little bit of storage on the top so that small containers can be put on top. First we're going to start making an AutoCAD drawing, and then we'll convert it into a DXF drawing and then cut it on the CNC machine. So now I've got 2 or 3 types. This is cling foil, and what is this? This is a paper wrap, and we have an aluminum foil. Alright, so let's see the dimensions for this. So this is about 305 mm. This is also about 305 mm. And this is about 300 mm. So I think a safe bet for the internal width would be about let's say about 330 mm, leaving about 15 mm on both sides. So about 330 mm goes there. And now the dia for this, diameter for this is about 55 mm. So this is a little used, so I think you can probably go with 60 mm. Yeah, this is about 48, 49 mm. So I think a safe bet would be about 60 mm. So I guess let's do a paper workout first. So what we need is a squarish kind of a structure wherein we have 330 mm on the internals, and we can have a 16 mm wall on both sides. So that's another 16 mm added on both sides, and the height is about, let's say we start from this level, we have 60 mm, so that's about 30 mm center point here, and then we have another 13, 30, 60, so we have another second one coming at 60. And the paper towel is somewhere around 150 mm, 160 mm, so we can take about 80 mm, so but that's about 110 mm here. So that plus another about 30 mm for the hooks, so this should be somewhere around between 335 to 340 mm. Right, so what we'll do is let's put these dimensions on AutoCAD, and let's see what kind of product we can develop out of it. So we're going to put our rods through this, and I've given it a small dip here so that when the rods go in, they come and get stuck in this. Whenever you're pulling the roll out or you're pulling the paper out, the rod doesn't fall off. So we've got both the sides in place. We've got the basic structure in place. Just need to add a few more things, and it will be ready to go onto the machining.
turning the wood, we've got this. We'll take off these edges and we'll get what we require. We'll cut it to size once the entire frame is ready, and then assemble the whole structure. So the wood has been placed on the CNC machine, the program I have written, and we just start cutting it. We'll just set the machine right and then we'll start cutting. So we've cut the pieces. We'll have to sand it a little. I think I'm going to sand it on the bed itself before I take it off. And I think it's cut pretty alright. It's got most of the things are in place. So yeah, let's sand it and then we'll start the assembly. So now this is the wood already. Required 4 pieces of wood. These are the 2 walls. Like this, and then come like this. This has the top, and this is the base from which we have gone. Put in our hooks. What we need to do now is stick it up. Our sticks are ready, our stand is ready. Let's see if the sticks are fitting in the grooves that we had given. That's number 1, that's number 2, that's number 3. All free to move. Well, that's it. All we need to do is use some filler to fill up all the cracks that are there in the wood, then polish it and install a few brackets at the back to hang it to the wall, plus 3 or 4 hooks here to hang some Aluminium cloths, and I think we are done. Polished it, PU coated it, and it is ready to be installed. Got the hanging sticks also polished and coated. Just need to fix it up. All the grooves that are there, just need to put it in here. Put it in the grooves. Just given a small notch here, so that when you're pulling it out, it doesn't come off. So you see, this is a small notch here. And it goes inside and your rolls are in there. When you pull out the rolls, it will not come. I think good job done. Let's just fix it on the wall then. If you liked the video, please press the like button, and if you're not a subscriber, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. For any queries that you have, you can put it in the comment section and I will try to answer all your queries. Take care. Good luck.